What's up, you guys? Welcome back and welcome if you're new. In today's video, we're going to be announcing two giveaway winners. The first one is going to be for the 3rd Gen Tacoma radio screen protector. We'll go ahead and knock that one out really quick, and then after that, we're going to go ahead and give away the awesome giveaway that you guys have probably been waiting for, which is the Paracord grab handles from Bubba's Garage TV. There's always going to be a lot more giveaways for you guys, so don't be discouraged if you don't win today's. Also, in the intro, if you guys like that background song, I don't know if you guys heard it, go replay it. If you guys really did like it, go ahead and check out my good friend here on YouTube, Matt YELLOWHORSE. He's the one that made that song track for me, and if you want to listen to the full version, stay until the end of this video and I'll go ahead and play it in the outro. Let's go ahead and get into the video and just see who won. We're going to go ahead and start with the smaller giveaway, which is the radio screen protector. I'm going to go ahead and use the same website I used last time, which was commentpicker.com. Once we pick the winner for the screen protector, we're going to go ahead and just choose the actual cool giveaway, which is the Paracord grab handles that I know everybody's been waiting for. So I copied the URL. Let's go ahead and paste it. Alright. Good luck, you guys. Let's go ahead and get the comments. Alright, 147 comments did enter correctly. Let's go ahead and see who won. Alright, there you go. Ivan Sanchez. So congrats to Ivan. Go ahead and email me. It will be in the description box below, and I will send it out as soon as I can once you email me. Alright, so now for the exciting giveaway, which is the Bubba's Garage grab handles. My good friend Bubba has a little message for you guys.
Thanks, Jesse. We're truly excited to be part of this giveaway. Guys, welcome to Bubba's Garage, where we do the best we can with what we have. And honestly, sometimes things turn out great, sometimes they don't. Most of the time, they actually don't. Most of the time, they actually don't. Guys, if you haven't noticed, we do a lot of Jeep stuff right here in Bubba's Garage, but we also have a 3rd Gen Toyota 4Runner project that we're actually working on.
Yes, Project Runway.
Yep, that's for Shelby. She's 14. Yeah, she's got a little bit of time.
We got a little time.
Got a little time.
But today, we're here because one of you will be winning a set of Paracord headrest grab handles from Jesse.
That's right. And we're really excited about that, guys. We got a lot of feedback from you guys. I want to say that if you want to have more drawing stuff like this, let Jesse know. Let Jesse know. We'll definitely be checking the comments. We want to hear your feedback on that.
But for now, we just want to wish each and every one of you who entered good luck.
That's right. Without further ado, let's get to that drawing, Jesse.
You guys, I'm going to go ahead and use the same website, which is commentpicker.com. So I'm on the video where I told you guys to go ahead and enter, which was one of his videos. I told you guys to watch it. So let's see who entered correctly. Just copied the link. Let's go ahead and enter it in commentpicker.com. Let's go ahead and paste it there. Let's go ahead and get some YouTube comments. Alright, so there's 212 comments that entered correctly. Let's go ahead and see who won. Nice. Alright, so Oscar Rodriguez, there you go. JesseRizo sent me. It was that easy to win. Alright, you guys, congrats to Ivan and Oscar. Before you guys click off the video, please stay tuned. I have a couple things to say and to show you guys. If you guys didn't win and you guys still want some, I do have a 10% off discount code on Bubba's Garage TV website. So if you guys do want to go ahead and purchase your own, you guys can customize it, different colors, stuff like that. Like I said, 10% off. Go check out his website. Awesome, seriously. Like on moments when you're off-roading and you do crazy stuff and you guys have passengers, for example, let me go ahead and cue this. So as you can tell, these things would have came in handy. They have passengers in the back. Let me go ahead and show you another example. Alright, so now let me go ahead and show you this example. You can tell, these things would have came in handy if you had passengers in the back or anything like that, and they just add a nice flavor and style to your vehicle. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed that. I hope you guys enjoyed the giveaway. There's always going to be a lot more. I have one more thing to say. If you guys remember, in the beginning of this video, I had stated to watch until the end. So one of my good friends here, Matt YELLOWHORSE, he makes a lot of good content on paranormal activity and stuff like that. So if you guys do like ghosts and other things like that, go ahead and check him out. His link to his YouTube channel is in the description box below. And that same friend also made me an awesome soundtrack. You guys heard maybe in the intro a little bit of it. But right now for the outro, I'll go ahead and let the song play. If you guys do enjoy that, and if you guys do enjoy paranormal activity, please make sure to go check his channel out. It will be in the description box below. And just go ahead and show him support. He's a good friend of mine. Just let him know I sent you. If you guys enjoy his content, go ahead and subscribe. And of course, subscribe to my good friend Bubba as well. And let's go ahead and get to that, and I'll see you guys next time.
Super simple, please feel free to subscribe. If you are new to my channel, welcome my new